So, good morning, engineering buddies. Here we go again on another set of problems here in trigonometry. So, last two problems tayo in trigonometry, miscellaneous problem lang to. So, about the spherical triangle. So, tara, let's start solving spherical triangle. So, meron ako dito couple of ideas, concepts, and formulas about spherical triangle. You can pause the video and take a screenshot of the following concepts and formulas. Yan. Okay, I will give you time, guys, to take a screenshot of the following formulas. Okay. Next. So actually, since college siya, I don't know if na-encounter nito spherical triangle, pero kasama pa siya sa curriculum. And then lately, hindi na rin siya sa amin na-review sa review center kasi bihira na siya lumabas lately, pero ilagay na rin natin kasi broad ang topic ng MSTC, baka may isipan ng examiner na magsama ng spherical triangle. So, naglagay tayo. Okay, so to appreciate the formula and the concepts, like, let's take this example. Lumabas daw to ng CE Board May 1997. A right spherical triangle has an angle C is equal to 90 degrees, A is equal to 50 degrees, and side C is equal to 80 degrees. Find side B. So dito sa formulas na inano ko, it is all about right spherical triangle. Meron din kasing right spherical triangle and oblique spherical triangle, but as right spherical triangle na lang yung itatakil natin. So, paano ba sinusolve tong problem? Sige. Let's draw first the spherical triangle. Let's take this arc na lang. So, pag nag-draw kayo ng spherical triangle, since hindi siya, parang pag ganyan siya, parang pero konting kurba lang. Talaga natin patusok. Pwede na yan. So, parang ganyan ang spherical triangle. Then, itlagay mo dito yung, makasasay, let's say, ito yung angle A, B, and C. So, itong, nandito yung 90 degrees mo. Kasi right spherical triangle siya. So, dito yung 90 degrees. Ayan. So, the angle opposite, ito yun, C. So, ito B, A. And then, after you draw the spherical triangle, nakalagay dito sa natin, meron tayong, ito siya, ito yung drino natin. Tapos meron siyang Napier circle. So, try natin ilaso. Yan, hindi na laso yung part na yan. Dapat yung part lang na. Okay. So after you draw the spherical triangle, again, Ito yung dinonot na spherical triangle. Gagawa kayo ngayon ng Napier circle. Okay? Ano siya madraw? Anyway, basta ito yung Napier circle. We draw the circle. Ito. Yan. Tandaan nyo itong Napier circle na magagamit nyo sa pag-solve ng right spherical triangle. So, okay. So, alam natin, from the Napier circle, iti-take natin itong malga. So, drawing ko na lang. I-drawing na lang natin yung Napier circle. Nakaya lang natin. Ayan. Dito na lang. Tapos sabi sa Napier circle, meron siyang hati. Ayan. May middle part. Tapos yan. Extend natin. Tapos copy ulit natin. Paste. Copy. Paste. Ayan. Copy. Paste. Paste. Ayan. So, isipin nyo na lang na pare-pareho dapat siya ng kalahati. Basta ganyan na magiging itsura niya. Kain oras ba? Kasi pag sa papel nyo din drawing to, madali lang naman. Okay, yan. Tapos, ayon sa Napier circle, meron tayong C prime, B prime, A prime, A. Okay. Meron tayong formula sa Napier circle. Kung babalikan nyo ito. Yan, tandaan nyo itong mga formula na to. Yan. So, dito ang gawin natin, ang middle part, yung C. So, pag middle part mo yung C, magiging ito formula niya. Sin C prime is equal to cosine A, cosine B. Then, alam natin, dito sa first rule of Napier circle, in the Napier circle, the sine of any middle part is equal to the product of the cosines of its opposite part. So, kunwari dito, ang ginawa niya middle part is yung B. So, equals pala siya sa sin C. At itatandaan yung concept. Okay? So, dito, ang sin C prime natin equal siya sa cosine C. Okay? Is equal to cosine A, cosine B. Then, alam ba yung C natin? Ang C natin is 80 degrees. So, cosine 80 degrees is equal to yung cosine A natin is cosine 50 cosine B. Kasi hinanap natin yung side B, which is the angle B. So, ayan na. Cosine B. Simplify na lang. Cosine B is equal to cosine 80 all over cosine 50. And then simplifying using calculator, lalabas dyan, ang cosine B mo is 0.27 para makuha mo arc cosine 74.33 degrees. So, yan na yung sagot natin. Okay? Ganyan lang mag-solve ng right spherical triangle. Just take note, memorize and understand the two rules of right spherical triangle, Napier's rule. Itong rule 1, the sine of any middle part is equal to the product of the cosine of its opposite part. Then, the next one, the sine of any middle part is equal to the product of the tangent of its adjacent parts. Which we say adjacent, yung mga katabing parts. Okay? So, ganyan lang siya i-solve, guys. You draw the spherical triangle, then draw the Napier circle. Okay, last problem. About naman ito sa terrestrial sphere. So, beforehand, kindly take note din of this following concept about terrestrial sphere. Yan. So, yan. So, kindly take a time to, to post ko muna, then you can take a screenshot. Okay? So, mga additional problems lang to, guys. Okay, next. So, last problem tayo. If the time is 8 a.m. GMT, which means is Greenwich Mean Time, what is the time in the Philippines, which is located at 120 degrees east longitude? So, sige, paano ba sinasolve itong problem? Alam natin, ayon sa terrestrial sphere, yan, tandaan nyo na, ang mga lugar or yung time in the places located at east longitude is ahead siya ng Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, ahead siya ng Greenwich Mean Time. So, alam din natin na Earth din nagre-revolve ng 360 degrees in one day or 24 hours. Then, sa isang oras, in 1 hour, Earth revolves 360 degrees and then 24 hours. So, ano siya? 15 degrees. Okay? O para lumalabas dyan, ayon sa nakuha natin, parang 1 hour every 15 degrees. Okay? So next, ang tanong kasi, if the time is 8 a.m. GMT, what is the time in the Philippines which is located at 120 degrees east longitude? So alam natin ahead yan. So ang gagawin nyo lang, time is equal to yung 8 a.m. So ganyan siya. Ipa-plus mo lang yung degrees na 120 degrees dun sa nakuha natin na 15 degrees. Ito yun na, ito yung 15 degrees na yun. So ang lumalabas dyan, calculate natin. 8 plus 120 all over 15 is 16. Okay? Yung 16 na yan, para lumalabas niyan, 16 or para ganito niyan, 1600 hours. Alam natin sa military time, yan ay 4 p.m. Paano natin nasabi na PM hindi AM? Alam natin na time in the place is located at east longitude is ahead ng Greenwich Mean Time. So, after the 8 a.m., PM na ang kasunod. So, 4 p.m. yan. Okay? Lagi nyo nang tatandaan itong concept na to na ang places sa lugar ay ahead lagi ng Greenwich Mean Time. And then, in 1 hour, alam naman natin yan, sa science pa lang, nung elementary pa lang tayo, nagre-revolve ang Earth ng 360 degrees per 1 day or per 24 hours. So, ganito lang gagawin nyo, guys. Okay? Ito yung terrestrial sphere natin. Okay? So, guys, tandaan nyo lagi yan. So, this concludes our tutorial in trigonometry, no? Nakapag-tackle tayo ng identities, angles, and the trigonometric equations, then solution of right and oblique triangles, And then miscellaneous problem like how to solve Napier right spherical triangle and this problem in terrestrial sphere. So for more engineering tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga susunod pa nating tutorials. So ang next topic natin is plane and solid geometry. Ayan, so yun, let's happy watching, let's keep learning and padayon engineers.